morning, coaster friends. As you can see, I'm here at Waldameer in Erie, Pennsylvania. I am actually here for Ace of Western PA's kickoff event, Ravine Flyer Frenzy. We are going to have 2 exclusive ride times, one on Comet, the other one on Wacky Shack. What I'm really excited for is we're gonna go do an exclusive tour of the inner yard of Comet. So let's head on in. Comet is testing. This is going to be one of our rides for ERT today. All right, first train of the day. Woohoo! All right, here we go. Well, that's fun, starting the day off on Comet. So these two are gonna try to squeeze into that cart.
Oh, it's not too bad.
Let's see if we can get over Jason's head. All right, they made it. Here they go. We're up next. Ooh, evil laughter. Oh, I'm scared. Ooh. Oh boy, one of these things. Ooh. Here comes the hill. Whee! Oh. No. Oh. Oh, jeez. I don't know what is happening there. Whoa. Jeez, I forgot how this thing goes like downhill a few times. Shark infested water. Ah, giant rat. Ah. All right, and that is it. That was fun. That is a fun one. As you can see, there is construction happening. This used to be the site of the original station for Ravine Flyer I. But obviously that coaster was torn down many years ago. However, the station was used as a pavilion for many, many years. Last year it was roped off, and this year we come and there's construction and I see footers.
And next year, Eagle's Pursuit, a multi-launch family thrill coaster by Vekoma, will be making its debut. This will be a perfect addition for the park, and I can't wait to ride it.
All right, Steel Dragon is gonna be up next. I did not get this one last year because it was closed. So, new credit.
Just a quick warning, if you get motion sickness easily, you might not want to watch this POV, or at least close your eyes.
I have a feeling we're gonna spin. Oh boy. Ah! Ah! Oh my goodness. Woo! Oh! Wow. Oh! fun. So am I. Still Dragon. Wow, that was a lot of fun. Holy spinning. So me and Mill were the only ones on it. So if you sit just 2 people on one side, the weight is off center. So then it just spins a lot more. I got pretty dizzy, but that was a lot of fun. All right, Jason and Millie, they're doing the drop tower. As you can see, I'm not because I am terrified of them. All right, they're gonna fall. Here we go. Look at that.
At the beginning of this episode, you got the drop.
Look at that view. Woohoo! Here we go. Oh my goodness, Ravine Flyer II is so good. I love how intense that coaster is. There is going to be plenty of more rides on that thing today. We're hitting up Whirlwind next. It's their little kiddie spinner. There we go, Whirlwind is finished. I didn't bother filming on that one. It's a fun little family spinner. Nothing too intense. There's a little girl on there, 3 years old. She was loving it. I think we're off to Pirates Cove now. Oh, we got a moving floor. These are always fun. Whoa. Whoa. Oh, this is trippy. It's a shark! Wow, another really...
Disco room.
Boogie fever. Bum, 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 bum. And tilted room. Oh boy.
Oh, whoa.
What on earth is that? Ooh. Do you like blacklight effects?
It is, but there it is.
Yeah, this is not claustrophobic friendly. I will say that much. Luckily, I'm not claustrophobic. Oh boy. Hey, it's a bouncy bridge. Ooh.
We got the bouncy bridge.
Yep.
Yo.
Pirate's life for me. That is yipes.
Yo ho ho and the bottom of the drink in the death bench on the land. 15 men on a
That men's chest. Yo ho ho. Oh, that's Scream. That's definitely new.
Bill Tracy, I don't remember this being here. This is new.
This is new. Bill Tracy designed this. He designed this and Wacky Shack. So, yeah, they're doing a little tribute to him. That's cool. Oh, look. This you can tell it's a brand new TV. Oh! Yes, I just ran into the wall.
Good work, Vanessa.
It's dark in here. Leave me alone. That's funny.
Oh, there's the poop deck.
Yeah, this is not part of it, but the wind is, wow. All right, we made it. Woo! Daylight again. That was trippy, but I like that. I am walked into the wall, and I will totally admit that. All right, that is park completion for me. I now have all the coasters here. Ravine Flyer 3 is a kiddie coaster, but I'm gonna tell you, that's fairly intense for a kiddie coaster. It's actually a lot of fun. So that brake, when the brake lets go at the very beginning, hold on, because wow, that was quite the jerk. But yeah, other than that, that was fun for a little kiddie coaster. All right, these two are gonna do Sea Dragon. I'm not a huge fan of pirate ships, so I'm gonna sit this one out again. Okay, so Kennywood has Cowboy Joe. Waldameer has this guy. I prefer Cowboy Joe. They're screaming already. It hasn't even started. Oh, that one right there. Oh. No, I'm good. That's the Paratrooper done. It's been a minute since I've been on one of those. Kennywood got rid of theirs years ago. That was a double cycle. And I will say though, after a while, I was like, okay, I'm done. I'm getting a little dizzy. So I am very happy when I come to amusement parks and I see stuff with my name on it, because for years and years and years, this was never a thing. I could never find stuff with my name on it. So thank you, Waldameer. It's train time.
Turned around and turned the back. It's like,
Yeah, we were in there earlier today.
We were in there earlier.
Hi, kids.
wave to all the kids. I don't know why. When you're on a train, it's perfectly acceptable to wave to strangers, but only on a train.
Here's the new slides, and they're still working on the water park. Gonna be putting a new lazy river in and another slide complex that will be ready for next year. Oh yeah, we're stopped up at the very top. So that was a very nice, relaxing ride on the Ferris wheel. I haven't done one of those in a very long time because usually I'm afraid of them. But I knew it would have some fantastic views and I wasn't too bad. Just as long as I don't look down. As you can see, this massive line right here is all the Ace folks getting ready to get our nighttime exclusive rides on Ravine Flyer 2. The ride is not open at night ever. The park closes at 9. So typically everything else is closed. We get to ride it as much as we want for an hour. And when it starts to get really dark, that ride gets really crazy. These night rides, something completely different. Two night rides on Ravine Flyer 2. That ride is unhinged at night, and I'm guessing it's just because you can't see where you're going. It's on a whole other level. If you ever want to experience a night ride on Ravine Flyer 2, you have to be an Ace member or know an Ace member, and you have to come to this event, Ravine Flyer Frenzy. It is the only time you can do it. If you enjoyed this video, like and subscribe. Next video is gonna be all the way on the other side of the state. I will be at Dorney Park in Allentown, PA. And until then, see you later.